Hi guys, a very warm welcome to you from Dubai. My name is Ash and welcome to episode 1 of our fragEMARAT presentation. If you want to know a brief introduction about my channel, you can watch the first video that I posted yesterday, which was Feb 19th, where I've explained what's the purpose of my channel and what I'm going to be offering to my audience in terms of fragrances that I've found in Dubai and other parts of the Middle East. Today I'll be talking about a perfume house that is born in Dubai and offers various fragrances that are inspired by Western niche and designer fragrances. This perfume house is called Paris Corner, and they also operate a retail store by the same name. It's located in Deira, Dubai, and Deira is known for its wholesale and retail market, and they also have the famous Gold Souk in the same area, along with a very buzzing perfume wholesale and retail market. Here you can see the store from the outside, how it looks. I've also shown some retail displays of some of the fragrances that they offer, and with one glance you can notice that most of the fragrances that they offer under their own brand. They currently have 2 brands or 3 brands under their portfolio, and one of them is called Pandora, which is very famous. The other one is called Autobiography, which is also what I'm going to be talking about today, a perfume that I bought from their Autobiography range. And you can see very similarities of their bottles, very inspired by Western designer and niche fragrances. I'll also add the website and Instagram links for Paris Corner and Pandora Scents. I think they have a Instagram account for Pandora Scents as well, which is also a brand that's owned by them. I'll add those links in the description box below so you can do some more research about this house, and I'm sure you'll find it very fascinating what they offer. I'm in no way affiliated with Paris Corner. It's just a house that caught my interest because of the wide variety of fragrances that they offer and at spectacular prices, and the quality is really good. I will also add some places where you can order their fragrances online because Paris Corner doesn't sell their fragrances through their website, but they do have a very active Instagram account, and you can also buy their products on eBay and a few other websites that I'm going to be highlighting in the description box below. So let's start today's presentation with the first fragrance that I bought from this house, which is from the Autobiography edition, and in total they have 4 fragrances in the Autobiography series, and this fragrance is inspired by Parfums De Marly HEROD. So here's the packaging of Supreme Gold from Paris Corner, and I would like to just run the presentation quickly because you can find a detailed unboxing and product presentation on my Instagram page of the same fragrance. And that's the details of the ingredients, their logo, made in UAE, and this is the front of it. It's overall a good presentation, good sturdy box, and the bottle is this, as you can see, really detailed and well designed packaging and well designed bottle, and the cap. It's a golden crown, kind of a king's fragrance. Now when I actually tried Herod for the first time, I was not very impressed with the fragrance because it's not something that you will fall in love with in its initial opening. But while I was in the mall, I had a few sprays on either hand, and it started to grow on me. I don't own the original Herod by Parfums De Marly, but I have tried it several times every time I visited a departmental store, and I can say that the Supreme Gold from Paris Corner comes really close to the original. So let's do a spray test as well as the first sniff. It literally fills the entire room. That's how strong this fragrance is. And it's really superb what they have done with this fragrance. I can highly recommend it. Anybody who's looking for an alternate to Parfums De Marly's Herod. It really comes very close to the original. I would say at least 95% close to its original. But the longevity is quite good. I have used this one last week, a whole of last week I was using it, and the performance was outstanding. It has lasted me a good 10 to 12 hours, and also the projection was 2 to 3 hours on an average, and I could smell the fragrance throughout the day on myself, because I usually wear it on my skin and not on my clothes. It is a very strong and potent version of Herod. Even though Herod is quite strong, I would recommend 3 to 4 sprays of this on either side of your neck, on your chest, one on the back, and if you wear it on your clothes, then on your shoulders. That would be enough. Now I would like to discuss how much I actually paid for this fragrance. I walked into the store, I tried out all the 4 Autobiography perfumes that they have under this collection, and I picked up all 4, and I'm going to be doing a review of the other 3 in the near future. So I paid close to just $10 for this fragrance. I've done some price checks online. This one goes for about $45 to $50 on eBay. You can buy it from there if you wish, or you can contact Paris Corner directly through their website or through their Instagram page, and they could probably ship it directly to you. Maybe you can get a bottle. This is actually 50 ml. I forgot to mention it. 50 ml juice. Maybe they might charge you $20-30. It's still a really good, worthwhile investment on a fragrance that is so close to its original inspiration, which is Herod. If you are looking for alternates to the originals, I think Paris Corner as a fragrance house really offers some outstanding products with great quality, great longevity, and something that you might not find in your part of the world. I would highly recommend that anybody who's looking for alternatives, who are not able to buy the original, or they have bought the original but they were not satisfied with the performance, longevity, I think you should look at the Autobiography edition from Paris Corner. And if you love Herod from Parfums De Marly, I would highly recommend you get this version of their fragrance. You won't be disappointed for sure. I've set up an Instagram account by the same name as my channel, where you can see a detailed unboxing and full presentation of the packaging as well as the bottle. And most of the reviews that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be separating the overall presentation on my Instagram account, whereas a video review or the house review on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my episode 1, and if you do like this video and if you found the information that I've shared interesting, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, where I'll be coming back once or twice a week with some unique product offerings, fragrances that I've found, hunted, searched for in my beautiful country, and share that experience with you. And I hope that you guys will like what I'm doing and support the channel so I can keep creating better videos as I go along. Thank you.